How do you know? It says Choo-Choo train right there on the wrapping paper. Yeah, look, if you pull on this, it might come open. Right here. Pull on this one right here.
What do you want for Christmas, Toby?
Oh, look at that. Okay. Pull right here.
A Toby dog.
A Toby dog?
A dog.
Toby, if you're going to be this methodical about it, we're going to be here all day. Oh, Choo-Choo. Oh, what's this one called, Toby? Do you know what this Choo-Choo train's name is?
Do you know what this says?
T-O-B-Y.
Toby?
That Choo-Choo train is named Toby. Just like Toby's named Toby.
Number 7.
You want it? Okay, let's get it out then.
Out.
Let's open it up so Toby can play with Toby the Choo-Choo train. Yeah, I think I might need scissors for this one.
Here you go.
Yeah, careful, Toby. Mommy's using scissors.
These scissors.
Careful, let Mommy use the scissors. Okay.
Oh, I need to use more scissors.
More scissors. Uh-oh. Mommy's getting it up for you. No.
Don't use the scissors. There's your Choo-Choo train. There's your Toby. Yeah,
Toby.
That's Toby.
That's Toby the train.
Let's see.
Oh, put all your toys in your bin.
Okay. Can you look over here and say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
Aww.
Thank you, who?
Thank you.
Grandma. Can you say Christmas, Grandma and Grandpa? Christmas?
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Christmas.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.